Welcome to PC Error Detective, and in this video I will show you how to log in to Discord account so you can access your Discord chats, servers, and friends quickly and safely. Stay with me because I will explain every step clearly for both PC and mobile users. Step 1. Open Discord on your device. You can use the Discord app on your mobile phone, desktop, or simply open the Discord website in any browser. This step is important because you need to access the login screen to start. Step 2. Tap or click on the login button on the home screen. Make sure you select login and not sign up, because sign up is used for creating a new account, and we are signing into an existing one. Step 3. Enter your email address or phone number in the box provided. This should be the same email or phone number you used when creating your Discord account. It helps Discord identify your account correctly. Step 4. Type your password carefully in the password field. Check that caps lock is off and make sure you do not make any typing mistakes, because an incorrect password will prevent you from logging in. Step 5. Press the login button. If Discord asks for verification, such as a code sent to your email or authenticator app, enter it to complete the login process. After this, you will be successfully logged in and can start using Discord. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.